Good morning, everyone. Just doing some car prep for our next big race. My daughter will be joining the Thailand International Touring Car Championship at the end of February. Modified class. Yeah, we're ambitious, just hobbyists, but we'll see what we can do in the pro class. And our car of choice is going to be the Axon TC2. I know there's a TC3, but I like the TC2 better in terms of the hinge pin. I like hinge pin designs. I don't like the pillowable. They are a weak point, they kind of break, they develop slop. I don't like it. Alright, so this is our car. Of course, we are Team Gold. We sell traction compound, and that's why the car is now in the gold motif. Alright, so it's nice. So it's yeah, yeah, nothing really to talk about except that there was a time I was kind of not into caring about the wirings, but now I kind of have some OCD about it and put a little effort in the wiring job for this one. Yeah, so I even shortened the wires. I cut them, recrimped them, hid them, put it in a way they're hidden. Yeah, so shorten the servo wire, shorten the fan wire, and just recrimp. Yeah, so there it is. I hope you like this car. It's really nothing special. R12 S servo, 482 Sanwa receiver, surpass motor 4.5, Hobbying XR10 Pro, and redline batteries, TITC tires. Alright, that's it. Nothing much. If you have a question, drop it in, ask in the comments. All good. Maybe next videos I'll talk about how to do some clean wiring tips, especially with the receiver, since they have antennas, right? So this one has a built-in, but for those that do not have a built-in antenna, how to make it look like this. All right. Have a good day. Hope this car works. I've never driven it. I bought it from a friend, and it's gonna run for the very first time once we get to Thailand. The turnbuckles, yeah, these are Hero Seiki. I saw it in Super Rajicon in Japan, and I picked them all up. I bought all the turnbuckles in Super Rajicon that were gold. Yeah, I don't changed it. They are hard to find, rare stuff. Some don't like the gold. I like it. All right. Cheers. Cheers. Bye.